Imagine waking up to money in your account. You didn't work for it yesterday, and you don't need to work for it today. Sounds like a dream? Well, I'm about to show you 5 passive income streams that can make you money while you sleep. In 2025, without lifting a finger, but hold up, this isn't just about earning while you sleep. I'm also going to show you how you can set these streams up easily and start making money, even if you don't have a huge bank account or previous experience in investing. Whether you're in the US, Germany, or Norway, the strategies I'm sharing are universally powerful and they work across borders. Now, before we jump into these 5 passive income streams, let me give you a quick breakdown of what we're going to cover today. First, we'll dive into what passive income really is, why it's crucial in today's economy, and how you can make it work for you. Then, we'll explore the top 5 income streams that can literally help you earn money while you sleep in 2025. Have you ever wondered how some people make money effortlessly while others grind all day, every day, without seeing the same results? Well, the truth is, they're using passive income strategies. 1. Dividend investing. First up, we have dividend investing. This is one of the most passive forms of income, and it's especially powerful in 2025. Here's how it works. You buy shares of companies that pay out dividends, which are a portion of their earnings paid out to shareholders. For example, companies like Apple, Coca-Cola, and Johnson & Johnson pay regular dividends. All you have to do is invest in these companies and then sit back and enjoy regular payouts, no work required. Now, here's an insider tip. The key to maximizing your dividends is to reinvest them. Instead of cashing out, reinvest those dividends to buy more shares. Over time, your investment grows and the payouts grow with it. It's a snowball effect that builds wealth over time. Next up, we have REITs, real estate investment trusts. This is perfect for anyone who wants to profit from real estate without the headaches of property management. REITs allow you to invest in large-scale properties like shopping malls, office buildings, and apartments and earn income from the rents collected. The best part? You don't need to own the property, deal with tenants, or fix any leaky faucet. Just invest in a REIT fund, and the company does all the work for you. For example, Vanguard Real Estate ETF, VNQ, is a popular choice in the US, and iShares Real Estate ETF, IXRE. Third, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is where you promote other people's products and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral link. Whether it's Amazon, ClickBank, or a niche product, affiliate marketing can become a serious passive income stream. Here's a quick strategy. Set up a niche blog or YouTube channel around a specific topic, like fitness or tech gadgets. Then promote products relevant to your audience, and when they buy, you earn a commission. It's low effort and can lead to big returns as your platform grows. 4. Creating and selling digital products. Now, if you want to take control of your income, creating and selling digital products is a game changer. Think about things like ebooks, online courses, or printable planners. These are products that you create once, and then they sell over and over again without any extra work. You can sell these on platforms like Etsy, Udemy, or even on your own website. The best part is, once you've created the product, the sales happen automatically, and you earn money on autopilot. 5. Peer-to-peer lending. Last but not least, we have peer-to-peer lending. This is where you lend money to individuals or small businesses and earn interest on your investment. You can use platforms like Lending Club or Prosper in the US, RateSetter in the UK, and Mintos in Europe. It's a great way to diversify your investments and earn passive income while helping others grow their businesses. The best part? You're not the one taking the risk. Platforms vet borrowers before they even get access to loans. So there you have it, 5 passive income streams that can make you money while you sleep in 2025. But remember, the key is starting now. The sooner you take action, the sooner you'll see those passive income streams working for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on strategies like these.